Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Honest Orange. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, and follow. Your support is appreciated. In a quiet little town, there lived a cat named Orange. Orange was an exceptionally adorable kitty with orange and white patterns that made it stand out. However, what truly made Orange remarkable was not its appearance, but its unwavering honesty. Orange resided in a lively alley where various animals coexisted harmoniously, forming a small animal community. Orange was like a little star in this community, always radiating positive energy. One day, a little bird named Blue lost its red hat and was frantically searching throughout the alley. Orange noticed Blue's distress and approached, asking, "Blue, why are you so upset?" Blue tearfully explained, "I accidentally lost my favorite red hat, and I can't find it anywhere in the alley." Orange immediately reassured Blue, saying, "Don't worry, I'll help you find it. Do you remember the last place you saw the red hat?" Blue nodded, and together with Orange, they retraced the steps to where the hat was last seen. Guided by Orange, the animals in the community joined the search. Soon enough, a mouse discovered Blue's red hat tucked away in a small corner. Blue jumped with joy, grateful as it looked at Orange and said, "Thank you, Orange. I might never have found it without you." Orange smiled and replied, "Honesty is the best way to solve problems, and helping friends is a joyful thing." The entire alley became warmer and more harmonious due to Orange's honesty and optimism. Since that day, Orange has become the little star of the alley, and the animals loved playing with it. With its sincerity and positive energy, Orange turned the small community into a place filled with laughter and friendship. This honest little cat became everyone's favorite neighbor,